Burnout on the high-speed output. Nordyne control board. Thank y'all for watching. First we're going to do is unplug this old bad boy. Check out the little terminals in there. We'll unplug this dude. Check him out. Looks good. See where it burned out right there? Here's a new one, which they got a better terminal strip on it. I'll stick that dude right there, right there. Power broke off. I'm gonna cut it. Put a new end on it. Make sure you don't get the insulation in there. Definitely don't over tighten. Looks like a C. Y. It's the fan wire. They all look the same. Stick that key in there. WD emergency. That one says W2, second stage. Somebody put enough wire there. 20 years ago. It's a yellow wire. Yellow in the common. Going to condenser. Pay the wire on either one, it don't matter. Going outside, just a coil. It's an old wire. Wire coming from the thermostat. Yellow, or used to be yellow. Let y'all look a little closer at this control board and see how it looks. Looks real healthy. Alright. Put yellow. Make sure it ain't sticking too far down in there. And of course your common going outside. This one don't have one going to the thermostat. It's a power steering thermostat, so. Plug our control speed in here. No jumpers here. The heat side goes to medium low. Nothing's on medium low. And cool goes on the high. So it's the same way. I'm planning on replacing this sometime in the fall. Change the whole system out.
See, that looks like a yellow. Looks like a ring. Don't worry, before y'all say anything, this is not a permanent situation.
Now she ain't the prettiest going around, but like I said, this is gonna get replaced pretty soon. New control board installed. Fan relay was burned up.